recording right now. Oh, okay, that worked well.
Come on, people! We made a little boy cry.
Y'all are horrible people.
Sorry.
Okay, this whole video is the back of y'all's heads.
Yeah, like.
Oh no, I'm good. I
You
can't
want to
think.
twerk?
Twerk team! You mean?
Okay. It's like hot. Okay.
Welcome.
You don't have to record this yet. I want to
Stop running!
Ask her to dance.
Oh, shit. I know you need to feel this. Mommy said she really wanted to go like take it to the crib. Man, I had to kill it.
What if Stedman was here?
Oh, she did that.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I want to
Where?
That's my aunt, my grandma.
Hey, that's her aunt and her grandma. Go ask her to dance.
That's my aunt. Wait, I gotta be over here. Y'all got
Traitors.
denied.
Okay.
Stop laughing. You're sleeping.
Don't leave me, okay?
Okay.
This is pretty cool.
Sleep.
It's not sleeping. Do you sleep like that at night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sleep.
You're crying. Crying because JC's not here.
For real. Alright, good night.
No. You're gonna have a lot of fun editing this.
I know, right?
Are you?
Traitor.
KP, I know frisbee. It's KP.
You go, come on, dance with me.
So frisky. When she give it to me, I'ma smack that kid. We should try and do the dance.
They have One Direction bedspread, I think, here.
Where?
Down there.
Don't show her.
Show me.
No, they don't have it.
Okay.
Ask someone to dance.
KP, I want no frisbee. Yes, KP. I have to do
No. No. Let's give someone with kids.
No.
Kids like to dance.
I feel bad. I feel like I'm destroying the minds of children.
Yeah. I like those cups. Yeah.
KP, I'm fly no frisbee. Yes, KP, I bang no nipsy. Yes, I'm a dog and her cat so frisky. When she give it to me, I'ma smack that kitty.
She's like weirdos.
They're ultra rib.
Yeah. We're recording.
Here's the funny thing. How do you know I'm not his mom?
Radiant.
I gotta hurry up.
Be magical.
You put those down now.
That was so
Now, what are we doing with condoms? My like, hey, you'll be needing them later.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was so funny. You didn't even like
Oh, you should be like, here, I got you a present. Go have fun. Bye.
Do we still need to record or just stop it, everyone? Just stop it for right now.